Track.
Shit, I made it out the trap spot. Chillin' at my granny house, only thing on was mad locks. Shit, I'm testing my luck until I hit the jackpot. Putting all my money in a motherfucking stash spot. I love being in the front, cause they got my back to watch. Oh, he flexing hard, ain't no question, JoJo snatches watch. Little niggas, but we all fucking trained to go. Fuck it, I got shooters and they all fucking trained to blow. Bitches on my phone and they all fucking trained to hoe. Few months OBD, wish the feds will fucking let them go. A lot of ops been taking nails, think I'm lying, check the scope. I just bought a 40 block, that bitch came with a fucking scope. Fucking cause catastrophe, start shooting at the fucking dough. Fuck it, hit whoever, who I die, the news will let us know. When it's beef with me, it lasts forever, ain't no letting go. Shit, you dead now, ain't no need to call it medical. You can't see it coming if you had a fucking telescope. I'm trying to see who in the house, fuck it, get the stethoscope. I hope it ain't no kids there, cause they answer, should we splitting wigs? We all double-breasted, all in this bitch, clapping six. Ain't no telling what the life I live, shit, I know it's straight. Cause my cousin locked up, doing a fucking life bid. A lot of niggas out here dying, trying to get a chance to live. These niggas that y'all think real, get turned into pigs. I only fuck with two niggas that won't talk about the shit we did. Shit, I fuck with them cause we was traumatized as some kids. Once you say it, man, it's done. Ain't no time to go renege. Pussy, ain't no time to go renege. Shit, I'm back at it like a nigga motherfucking left. If the cops pull me over, they gon' charge me with death. Cause this nigga on my waist, keep my pants a fucking belt. I'ma put myself on, I never ask for some help. I can hear the money calling. If I was fucking deaf, gotta go out like a soldier. For they put me to rest, I said fuck a lot of niggas. Cause more equal less, these niggas asking questions. Man, this ain't no motherfucking test. I got this F&N, I hope this pussy nigga got his vest. Shit, I'm shooting everywhere his head, then take off his chest. Turn the pussy into pasta.